Morning, everyone. I am going to read a story today, and then I want you to think about it, and if you can, and have some paper, write down what you would make for your friends for lunch. We're going to read Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch by James Dean and illustrated by James Dean. Here comes Pete. It's lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He's going to add tomato and mayo. That's a good lunch for a kitty cat. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's too small. Something's missing. Well, he's got the bread and the fish and the mayo and the tomato. What do you think's missing? Pete knows his sandwich needs an apple. He loves apples. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too small. Pete is very hungry. He is going to add a pickle. Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. That's a pretty big sandwich. Something is missing. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do. Pete thinks and thinks. What do you think he's going to do? I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all of his friends. He asks them to come over. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Look at all the friends hanging out. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Pete's friends are full. They like Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool. Look, there's Pete the cat. Okay, so we had a couple really cool things happen. He shared his lunch, which is amazing, and he put together a really good, healthy lunch. He had fruits, he had vegetables, he had dairy, and the best part, ice cream. So maybe you can write a story about what you're going to have for lunch today. You need a character, so the character would be you, and maybe your brothers or your sisters. And then you need a setting. Well, the setting is what? Your house, or maybe you're at grandma's house or a babysitter's house. But you have to have a setting, so you got to tell me where it's going to be. And then you got to tell me what the characters are going to do. Are you going to just eat lunch? Are you going to eat a silly lunch? Are you going to eat lunch really, really fast? Or are you going to go so slow? What kind of lunch are you going to have? So today I want you to write a story about what you're going to have for lunch. And you can share it with me later this week. Okay, bye kids.